Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Xampp running Python scripts and programs. Type Python download in browser search bar. Click Download Python. Click Download Python. Open downloaded file. Check Add Python to Path. Click Install now. Open Xampp control panel, stop Apache service. Click Config, click httpd.conf. Copy first two commands from description and paste it. Save the file. Lesser than symbol, if module, space dir underscore module greater than symbol. Type index.py, then save the file. Open File Explorer. C drive, Xampp folder. Open htdocs. Create and open new folder named as Python projects. Create new text file named as test.py. Click View, check file name extensions. Delete after .py extension. Right-click test.py, open or edit with Notepad++. Copy remaining text from description and paste it. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type %local app data %, click OK. Click View, check Hidden Items. Open Programs folder. Open Python, Python version folder. Copy folder path. Paste to test.py. /python.exe. Click Save. Open Xampp control panel. Start Apache service. Type localhost /python projects/test.py. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.